busy setting up for us for a trade. Euro bottom of the pile, CAD almost at the top, just below the New Zealand. So it's gaining a lot of the sparkle there. And I would love to short this here on the Euro. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 3 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the pound and the CAD, and short on the yen, the euro and the US dollar. Let's kick off with the dollar index. Well, with the retracement back to that area there, I see a little sneaky level coming in there, which is stopping the market slightly, but it was a holiday in the US yesterday, so most likely the lack of liquidity does that. I don't know if that level is so significant, according to me not, but it's just too exact to ignore. But I still think we could see the retest of that level. That seems like the logical level to retest, unless the weakness of the dollar is so bad that it doesn't even reach that level. That means we're going to see a big drop. But I will be planning for a retest of that level. But my intraday, my medium, long-term and short-term indicators all shows dollar bearish, and I'll still stay dollar bearish for the next leg down the page. Now that the summer holidays in the northern hemisphere is coming to an end, I think we should see some decent trends coming up. So with the still weaker dollar gaining a little bit of strength yesterday up to the third spot there this morning, dropping now below the yen again to the second last spot. But gold still finding support at this $2,500 level. That's the level I'm in the market on this bullish engulfing here, the halfway mark there. So I'm really trying to hold on tight to this trade. Stop loss still down on these lows, about 24.65 odd levels. So I'm still at risk there with $35, but if I can get a new high, that would be great. Then I can bring my stop loss in just below the $2,500, reducing my risk a lot. But for now, with the dollar weak, I still want to stay gold bullish. And with gold being a very long time there, half a month now, 2-3 weeks now, holding to a new all-time high, that is very unique for gold, because gold loves to break and then fail completely on all-time highs. This time around, it seems like it's holding, and that's a sign of good strength coming up for me. So I'm very, very excited about that, and I'm really hoping for this level to be taken out. If we can take those highs out there, that would give me a real sense of bullishness and maybe decide to add, but I'll see by the time it gets there. I'm not going to count my chickens before they are hatched. Then Bitcoin bouncing slightly yesterday, still under pressure. Most of the cryptos are bouncing a little bit, the altcoins and so forth, but nothing to get excited about. It's just a normal little bounce. I'm not saying it's a start of anything, but Bitcoin and all the crypto markets are still under pressure. So I think they're also waiting for the summer holidays to be done around about the middle of September. And the Euro CAD busy setting up for us for a trade. Euro bottom of the pile, CAD almost at the top, just below the New Zealand. So it's gaining a lot of the sparkle there, and I would love to short this here on the Euro. So shorting the Euro CAD here will give me that opportunity. It is testing the level here between the 50 and the 61% level, right at structure from yesterday, and almost making a candle reversal. We've got a few minutes left for this bar to close. If it closes below the halfway mark of this long white candle, that is what we call a dark cloud cover, and if it closes below the open here, it's called a bearish engulfing, and that's when I will look for some shorts. But for me, the minimum close needs to be below the halfway mark here. Then I'll definitely consider some shorts, especially with the Euro at the bottom and CAD almost on the top. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then the CAD yen, also testing this big flat top here. I showed this to you yesterday, big flat top here, busy testing right at 61% level. So let's see, a few minutes before this candle close, if it can close like this, it's fantastic. Then a nice strong white candle closing above the halfway mark there, or even higher. That will be great, and that will get me to go long there. In the Euro US, I'm looking for the shorts here with the Euro very weak, but with the dollar jumping between the yen here, I am a little bit worried about this trade. But if the dollar strength persisted, I'm going to try to short here. But I'll see by the time it gets back to that 50 to 61% level at structure there coming in. Very nice solid level. but I'll have to watch this. So if the dollar keeps strengthening in the process, by the time it hits there, I'll look for some candle reversals and then I'll take some shorts. The New Zealand Swiss busy testing the level. Had some hopes for this one. We've still got 45 minutes from recording this video. It's a nice big swing up the page, retracement back to the 60% level, double structure coming in here. Testing, definitely no problem with the New Zealand, all the sparkle, and the Swiss franc neutral not after that. But the New Zealand got such a lot of sparkle after the sell-off of last night. But I would like to see a close here above the halfway mark of this black candle here. It needs to close above that. That'll be then what we call a piercing line or higher. That will be great. And then I will take some longs there. In the US CAD still honoring this flag. I can see the market is honoring that top part of the flag, which is good news. It means this could become structure. But I would first like to see a close below, a retest, and then a counter reversal that the market confirms really this whole pattern as a structure, that we are 100% sure that everybody is looking at this flag. Because remember now, the closer we get to a self-fulfilling prophecy, the better. That's what we want. We want as many as possible people seeing the same thing than what we do, but we need confirmation. And the confirmation will be a close below, a retest, and a counter reversal that shows us that the market is definitely honoring it. Then on the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones with a weak dollar here, the break there would be great. So forming a little bit of a triangle, if I can get a break up there, then I will look for longs on a retest and a candle reversal. Remember, a weak dollar stays stock market bullish. And the S&P 500 also getting stuck during summer holidays in this sideways range. So remember, the longer the sideways range, the more explosive the move after that. So I'm very excited as long as I can keep having a weak dollar. The breakout there would be great for me. The retest and the candle reversal. This could push us up because we got this big run up the page. The consolidation, usually the distance it can run is this distance from there to there, and if we can then extend that to whatever we do there, we can see this could be a big one into the end of the year. I'm not saying that that'll happen overnight, but that is something I'm definitely eagerly looking for, is a long year, because this is a very strong pattern we see here. Very nice consolidation with a big run into the consolidation. That shows a lot of bullishness coming in for us. Then on the New Zealand yen, New Zealand, all the sparkle, yen in the red zone, retracing back to the 50-61% level, right at the structure here, coming in flat top. Very nice. So if I can get a good strong bounce and candle reversal here in the next bar or two or three, I'll definitely consider some longs here. Then on the DAX, also looking for the breakout. We got such a weak euro, so that's very bullish for the stock market on the DAX. You see, with the euro being weak, that the DAX is really outperforming the rest of the world. So I would like to see a nice solid 4-hour close above that, a retest and a nice candle reversal, and that'll definitely get me to consider some longs, especially on a weak euro like this. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.